What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Joubert Abraham here. I'm excited to share another episode on how to automate your business. All right. So today we're going to talk about cleaning businesses. If you know anyone that own a residential cleaning or commercial cleaning, we're going to basically build out the marketing side of the business. A lot of people still use their Facebook page or maybe their Instagram page. They don't have a website. They don't have any automated system in the back end. We're basically going to put something like that together, right? So what we're going to do is how to automate your cleaning business with AI, right? Super simple, right? We're going to talk residential cleaning and commercial cleaning. This literally can be two videos by itself. So if you know anybody or if that's you, definitely stick around for this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to literally do it with you so you can see how I do it. And then what we're going to do next is give away something that I think can be super valuable, the tool that we use that allow all this to be possible. So you can just take that tool, use it in your own business, just follow the steps, follow everything that we have here. This is for free. So if you have any questions, you're welcome to comment in the DM. Let us know. If you know anybody else that can benefit from this, you're more than welcome to share it with them. Let them, take advantage of this, right? It doesn't cost them anything to just learn and be able to go out and execute for their own business. All right. So there is something that a lot of people don't know. Back when I graduated college and started my first real job, I actually started a cleaning business with my best friend. We started cleaning local homes, small businesses, but we didn't really have systems in place. We didn't really know what the hell we are doing. We just had a bucket and some mops, and I could talk to people, and they agreed to let us clean for them, right? So the business, we made money with it, but it wasn't sustainable, right? It's either we were marketing or we were cleaning. We did everything ourselves. There was no system involved. We didn't even have a website. We barely had a Facebook page, right? And we were doing flyers. So I'm sure there's a lot of people that have their own cleaning business that probably can relate to this, right? So I've learned a lot. I've made a lot of mistake from that, and I don't want that for anybody else who has a cleaning business or looking to automate their cleaning business or looking to scale their cleaning business or want to use AI in their cleaning business, right? So with that said, here's what I would do now if I had a cleaning business. First, I'll come here and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a prompt to help me market my cleaning business. This is residential cleaning. Help me build not a website, but a funnel. A funnel where I can take appointments while evaluating the cleaning job before leaving to go to the appointment, right? So, and I'm going to start act as a business strategist and a marketing genius who makes multi seven figures with cleaning businesses, with a cleaning business. And I've paid you over 100,000 for consulting to help me build a profitable residential cleaning business. Help me create this prompt, right? So I'm gonna literally take this, copy it. So I'm creating a prompt to help me create a better prompt. And then I'm gonna go to the tool, I'm gonna paste this in, and boom, let it do its thing. It's thinking, it's putting things together, right? As you can see here on the side, it's really like, you got to know what to ask AI for AI to be able to help you the way it needs to help you. So all I'm asking it to do right now is to build me a prompt. And as you can see, all the meeting, right? Cleaning Empire Blueprint. This is your complete system from cold strangers, right? and it tell me to use this prompt in any AI tool or hand it over to a copywriter to generate all of your marketing asset. You are a world-class direct response copywriter when your home services marketing. I own a residential cleaning company. Call, and I can put a business name here, serving, and I'm gonna put that there. My ideal client is a business owner or dual income household. Is to same day quotes, transparent flat rate pricing, background check, right? My competitor charges and offer. I stand out because, so you see how it's asking me for all the details for it to put things together for me, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to go back to this document because it's asking me for things to be able to help me structure this better. Copy and paste that here. I'm gonna call this Tammy's Cleaning Service. And we're gonna do, since I'm in Atlanta, we're gonna do the Atlanta Metro, right? Boom, boom, boom. So let's keep going with this, right? Same day quotes via photos, transparent flat rates, satisfaction guarantee, right? My competitor charge, let's say, you know, $250 for a single, for a one bedroom apartment and offer generic service. I stand out because, you know, my service is different, you know. My team is hands-on and we take what we do seriously. Right. Ad copy leads with pain point, right? So kind of give you all the details here. So that's part one of then part two is the pre-assessment funnel. Stage one, Google Ads, stage two, stage three, right? This is all the marketing things that need to be done on the back end that we don't see, right? This is where you win. We're gonna pull all these data points, right? This is fantastic. So what I'm going to do is take this and we're gonna go to the AI studio. And this is where we do what's called vibe coding, right? So we're gonna come here, we're gonna copy this, right? Let me go back before I do vibe coding. We're gonna go back to AI and I'm gonna copy part two all the way down. Gonna add that here. Now we have a full script. Then now we're gonna go to the AI Studio. And by the way, if you're wondering what tool I'm using a platform called GoHighLevel to do all this. So if you've never heard of a GoHighLevel before, to me, it's one of the best uh, platform. It's like a one-stop shop for everything, right? So we're gonna copy this from here on down. And I'm gonna add it on here. Boom. Let it do its magic. That's version one, what we call the MVP version. Then we'll be able to kind of tweak that version some more to make it better, right? But this should give anyone who has a cleaning business, this should give you an idea that you don't need to go spend 3,000, 5,000, $10,000 for a website. That's a brochure. You know what I mean? You can use a platform like this to have an actual sales funnel that can help bring in clients for your business. At the end of the day, it's all about, you know, getting new clients. So if you're going to spend money on networking, running paid ads, or anything of that nature, you want something that can actually deliver. And I believe that this tool can be that thing that deliver for you to help you in terms of reaching the goal that you want. So as you can see here, it's doing its magic in the back end. It's took the prompt that I give it, it's setting up the branding and layout, it's gonna build the hero and trust bar, the smart intake form, the pricing selection, a bunch of technical stuff on the back end. However, the whole goal is to have a a cleaning business, that's a residential cleaning business that you can run paid ads. We're talking Facebook, Google, etc., and drive traffic to your site and vet new potential clients. Right? So basically, that makes your job easier where if you are in the field or you have a team member in the field, you can have a machine that's working on the back end and you have people that are coming in, people that are being vetted, that make it easier for you to quote them and all that can be automated. You see what I mean? And then that can put them into your fulfillment process, right? Because any business we're looking at, we have marketing, sales, fulfillment, right? That's the delivery of what you promise, right? And we in the fulfillment, especially for cleaning business, it's cleaning, but then it's staffing because you got to have people that can go do the cleaning for you, right? So that's the part that nobody talks about. You might have some people that are unreliable, right? That impact the level of service that you can provide. So having the right team member is critical, especially when you're growing. If you know part of the growth, the challenge would be where, you can have different issues when it comes to growing, being able to have the right talent pool that can consistently deliver is important. You may have to build a separate pipeline, and that too can be automated, right? Where you can run paid ads to a pipeline where people are applying and they're being vetted based on how they answer specific questions and speaking to an AI that's going to lead them to actually turn into quality talent for the growth of the business. So you're able to not only use this tool, GHL, for marketing, but you can also use it for recruiting, right? You can use it for fulfillment, right? So now you have one tool, which is considered your one-stop shop, is being used not just for marketing, but for fulfillment and recruiting of the business, right? That saves you a lot of time and save you a lot of money, right? Which is what every business owners want to hear. So knowing how to use that one software can really help grow the business long term. And this is a really good tool that you can use if you have somebody setting it up properly. If you don't know how to do that, this is where our team come in. We have a talented team of GHL expert that can set up all the automations for the business. As long as you know the vision and the plan of what you want to do, we can have our team set it up. If you're not technical, but if you're all a little bit technical and you want to do it yourself, you can use AI like I'm showing you here, right? We're building the front end. This is what the marketing side of it, to make sure that we're building a brand because you don't just want to run your business on a Facebook page and a Instagram page because let's say there's Facebook shut down or Instagram shut down now, your business stop because nobody can see, your marketing materials. No, you know what I mean? Or they shut down your account. What are you gonna do next? You know what I mean? So you cannot build a business on rented land. You want to build something that is valuable, that is critical, that is an asset that you can not only be proud of, but that can stand anything, right? So using this platform to build that business is really going to be beneficial for the growth of you and what you're looking to do. So that's why when we put something like this together, it's not just to show you the tech, right? That's the tech, but it's really, hey, if you're a business owner, do you have the right systems in place, right? Think about it. You have an ad running on Google or Facebook, somebody inquiring about your service. They go through the system, they fill out a form. The form, they're able to get an email and text, and then they're now on your calendar and they may even make payment. So now you have that machine that can literally print money because you structure it that way, and you can focus on fulfillment on the back end. And then once the marketing machine is ready, then you build the recruiting machine, right? So the recruiting machine is really you can automate the whole process as well. And we have team member that can help with that, where now you're able to get talent consistently, people that are applying for cleaning jobs with your company, and you have an automated vetting process to allow them to go through the cleaning vetting process. So instead of talking with 50 candidates, you're only talking with five. And you know these fives, they have gone through that vetting process that you created. When a job come in, right? Instead of you using pen and paper trying to get the job done, you can basically just go through this process and have things automated, right? Text and email is sent to your rep that's going to go clean the home. A notification text is sent to the owner of the home so they know what's happening. You know what I mean? Pictures are automatically sent to them so they don't even need to be home while things are being done. Oh, looks like we have the preview. Let me see what that looks like. All right. Wow. Tan is cleaning, right? Simple, right? This is really good. What kind of home it is, super simple. I see some minor things we may need to tweak, but we have the simplicity needed, right? Get quote, take them right here, reviews. So this is get your custom cleaning quote in 60 seconds, right? So this is just the front end. And this is Tammy's cleaning. Oh yeah, super simple, chic, perfect for if somebody's have a one bedroom, two bedroom apartment, right, in the city of Atlanta, they can literally maximize the use of this. So that's what that looks like. If you guys like this type of content, and if we were to do something like that for commercial, it literally be just duplicating this and focus more on commercial, right? Which we can do another video. I don't want to make this video too long, but be on the lookout for that one. But for the residential, this is how you would do it. And remember, this is stage one, and then stage two is make sure you have a fulfillment operating system built from on GoHighLevel, and phase three is to have a recruitment pipeline automation built on the platform as well. So if you like this type of content, you want to see more of them, click the link below, subscribe to our channel, like it, comment on it. And if you need that tool, there's a link below in the comments or in the description. You get 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel, which is the tool that we use to build this thing. Go and click it, grab it, use it for 30 days for free. Set this up for yourself so you have something that's running, and then you're off to the races. Right. If you need help, once you have this running and you want to be more automations, we have expert in-house that can handle everything for you. We have expert that can do social media and expert that can do paid ads. So don't hesitate to reach out, and thank you again for your time. Cheers.